In this video, we will learn how to add a subscription to a customer in just a few easy steps. There are two primary methods for adding a subscription: directly from the customer profile or by creating a subscription and then assigning it to a customer. However, this video will focus on adding a subscription directly to customer profiles. Let's get started. To begin, we will select any customer and then click the More button. Next, select Generate Sign-in Link to navigate to the Client View URL screen. There are two ways to open the customer portal. First, we will copy the URL automatically generated by the system and then paste it into a new tab to navigate to the customer portal. Voila! We have successfully accessed the customer portal. Now, we will click the Open Link button to directly access the customer portal. Congratulations! We have successfully accessed the customer portal. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.